फंक्शन यूज़ किया हुआ है जो शायद आपको पता होगा कि string.h फाइल में होता है, which is named as strcmp. So I'm comparing both the names together and if the value that I get is greater than 0, वो greater than 0 कब आएगा? जब जो पहला डिफरेंस दोनों नाम में आएगा वो डिफरेंस जो रहेगा उसमें से हायर अल्फ़ाबेट पहले नाम में है और लोअर अल्फ़ाबेट दूसरे नाम में है, तो वो डिफरेंस दोनों का जो ASCII वैल्यू का आएगा वो ग्रेटर दैन 0 आएगा. मतलब मेरा ऑर्डर उल्टा है क्योंकि मुझे अल्फ़ाबेटिकली सॉर्ट करना है. अगर अल्फ़ाबेटिकली सॉर्टेड वैल्यूज़ है तो जहाँ भी पहला डिफरेंस आएगा मेरा जो सेकंड स्ट्रिंग रहेगा उसका ASCII वैल्यू हमेशा बड़ा रहेगा पहले से. तो डिफरेंस अगर मैं लूँ तो वो निगेटिव आएगा. निगेटिव कब आएगा? अगर वो प्रॉपरली ऑर्डर में सॉर्टेड है, क्योंकि ए का ASCII वैल्यू और जेड का ASCII वैल्यू देखोगे, ए का ASCII वैल्यू इज लोअर कंपेयर टू जेड्स ASCII वैल्यू. ओके, सो प्लीज ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड वट एवर आई ट्राई टू कन्वे टू यू over here. If you have not understood the code, that is, but I guess this code is not that difficult to understand. Only need to understand is what these functions are doing. These are library functions strcmp and strcpy. Cpy copies first string into the second. This particular code again is a swapping code. We had seen it day before yesterday how numbers are swapped. I use a temporary, here I use a str. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to copy name 1 or name I into str, then we want to copy name j into name I, and then we want to copy string into name j. This is about string, and here we are doing the similar thing on the integers, because this thing, so not integers, sorry, we are doing this this with respect to the records, complete record we are swapping. So if si dot runs, that is runs for the I plus first player, is less than equal to sj dot runs, that is less than j plus first player. j plus first player से अगर s I plus first player का रन्स कम है, इसका मतलब दूसरे प्लेयर का रन ज़्यादा है, तो वो रिकॉर्ड पहला होना चाहिए लिस्ट में दैन दी करंट रिकॉर्ड. करंट रिकॉर्ड शुड टेक द प्लेस ऑफ दिस record, and we are swapping these two records. To swap the records, we are using this structure temp, and see how beautiful C programming language is. It is treating the structure variable as like any other variable. I just need to say दो अगर स्ट्रक्चर वेरिएबल्स है तो मैं उनको इक्वेट कर सकता हूँ या उसमें असाइनमेंट में जनरेट कर सकता हूँ. सो टेम्प इज इक्वल टू एस ऑफ आई. सो एस ऑफ आई का पूरा स्ट्रक्चर विल बी कॉपीड इनटू टेम्प. एस ऑफ जे में एस ऑफ आई में एस ऑफ जे कॉपी होगा और एस ऑफ जे में टेम्प कॉपी होगा. दिस वे आई विल बी सॉर्टिंग द स्ट्रक्चर्स, सॉर्टिंग द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ क्रिकेटर्स. ओके, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड द फैक्ट दैट यहाँ पे मैंने कोई भी हीड पे नहीं किया है whether this particular temp is a normal variable or a structure variable. I've just considered it to be like a normal variable temp and said temp is equal to s of I, because I know that s of I is also of a struct cricketer type and temp is also of struct cricketer type. You can do only this if both the sides of equal to sign or the assignment operator are of same data type. Okay, that is the facility that C programming has. Irrespective of what they are, if they both are of same data type, I can do the assignment of the one on the right hand side to the one on the left hand side. We did not talk about assignment operator, but this is the use of assignment operator that we are seeing, wherein this is not the basic data types that we are assigning from rval to lval. So rval means the right side value to lval, that is the left hand side value. Okay, sometimes you get this error in turbo c3 called as lval required. There you are mismatching the data type on the left hand side and right hand side, and you are trying to assign something on the right hand side to the other thing on the left hand side. तो ये आपको वो particular error का कुछ information I have given you. Now the last part of this program, we are going to print these particular records which are already now sorted order to the user. So we'll naturally have the person's name who has highest runs in those 100 records we have would come as the first then the second, then the third, then the fourth. So one line at a time will be printing si s square bracket I. We are accessing I plus first variable in array s. This is very similar to accessing any array element for basic data types as well. Then dot name is the new thing that we added because we created or we are using the structure cricketer. Okay, the s is an array of structure cricketers. So s of ISM है उसका I plus first record access करूँगा. Dot name से I'll be accessing the member whose name whose variable name is name coincidentally. Similarly, s of I dot matches will access the variable named matches inside the I plus first element in the array of struct cricketer. Okay. Similarly, si dot runs. Hopefully this program is clear to you. I give you a minute to think about this whole code, how the structure is defined, how the structure variables are defined, how the structure member functions are accessed, how one structure variable value is copied to other structure variable, and also how the structure variables are used in normal course of programming. Okay, so I'll give you a minute up to 10:46 to think about this. Read the code carefully. If you have any doubts related to structure, looking at this program or in general, you can post them into the chat box. We will definitely discuss about this ampersand not being here, and there are two answers that you gave to me after we complete both the structure programs, because my first target is to complete both the structure programs and then go to some lateral problem or point that gets raised, because I only have 1 hour 15 minutes left of the sessions that I have planned. So I don't want to go to some other topic right now. Okay, so I will wait till 10:47 for you to read the code, try to understand the code. A thing that I want to ask you, you want to try and execute this code yourself? Should I give you this code in order that you try and execute this code yourself and come up with certain problems? It will take some time though, because tuning the program and then using it over the, let's see, I will try this as well. So I'll give you this code. Those who are having access to, how do I give it? This is okay. I'll try finding. So there is a mechanism here in the attachments. I'll just try and Google calendar attachment. So attachment are shown here. Fine. So can I paste the code here? Oh, I'm able to paste the code because it's a text file. So I've pasted the code over here. Is it the entire code? No, it did not. I could not. So it is entire code. No, it's not the entire code. Just type something. It is up to scanf, player's name, matches played, runs code. Okay, so it is up to the scanf statement. I'll post on WhatsApp group. Yeah, that's a good thing that you suggested. I didn't get that. Sometimes it happens, the common sense doesn't prevail. Thank you for doing that. So I'll use the attachment of WhatsApp to attach it. Good that you reminded that we also have access through WhatsApp. So I need to traverse to the code. Student mark sheet. No, what was the name of the code? I tend to forget things a lot. It is P19. Okay, program 19. Where I was. Give me a second. I'll actually share it quickly. It is not here. No, sorry, it's not here. I need to save it as somewhere else. It's way beyond our limits. So it's a old code that was sitting somewhere else. You can get it. Just refresh it. P19. It is there. Yeah. So you get the code now. So you maybe somehow try and access the code. It will take a moment that this code appears in your window from mine. Yeah, so it has gone from my side. So try and execute this code. Simultaneously we will also discuss the 20th program. So this is one of the other program that I am supposed to discuss before this session goes off and before we start discussing about pointers, and this is again a program code which is related, which is using structure. Here we have used struct complex. Okay, there are two member variables, real and imaginary. It's an application of structure wherein we know that directly there is no basic data type that can cater to a complex number in C. We do have some library from which we can, if we import that library, we can use complex data structures as a member variable, as a normal variable. But if I want my own complex numbers to be created, or our own data structure which stores complex numbers, or own variables that store or cater to complex numbers, I need to use, then this is the program for doing it. So I'm creating struct complex. Okay, complex number has real part and imaginary part. I hope in sem 1 or sem 2 one of the semester you might have already had notion of complex number, the number that has that I part, right? Real A plus IB form number. Any number in A plus IB form is called as complex number. A is the real part, B is the imaginary part, right? Okay. Here this is an important concept called as function prototyping. Whenever I am not defining a new function and I am just writing its definition, and not defining in the sense I am not writing the body of the function or the code of the function, but I am telling my compiler that this named function is somewhere there in the file that you are currently in. So this is referred to